Grab the handle. You right-handed?
Yeah.
Well, just grab the handle. You don't need to do, well, you can do both. There you go.
I'm doing it!
Okay, come over.
Slowly
turn
but
the axle,
surely.
or turn the saw around.
Like this?
Yeah, and you grab the handle with your stronger arm. There you go.
Hi. How are you? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? So much fun?
Probably get him back to the car soon.
Your breath is terrible.
Anyway.
It's gonna be a long video, dude.
I know.
Just don't delete this one this time.
Is there a bunch of ice in that?
Who knows? Ready?
Probably some bear poop.
Wow, you are incredibly smart.
I'm tired now.
Put both hands on the handle. You don't have to push it. There you go.
Doing it. Oh, this thing's in the way. How do I take this thing off? Shut up, Brian. Okay.
Oh, goodness.
This is king size snowball.
There you go. Now go.
Oh, it's so much easier.
Timber!
Moment here.
Right, can you yell timber?
It's up to you to yell timber.
You're doing good. Keep going. It's about ready to fall.
It's still...
I like the manly noises. Ah!
You're there.
Timber! Oh, damn. Should I do this? And I officially now have my Christmas tree.
Where's this going? Yeah, you're not done. You just have to saw
She
the,
lives in a skyscraper.
you still have to saw the bottom half off.
Here's your saw. I'm
Hey,
dragging
drag it outta
this down and then sawing it at the bottom. I did it! Yay!